Hello there, it's me Sibin from Libromi. In this video, I will show you how to create a short link and a QR code for your chatbot. In this way, if you have multiple chatbots, you can trigger a specific chatbot for some use cases. For example, if you promote your product offline and you embed your QR code with the product tag, it is very easy for the user to simply scan the QR code and initiate a chat. Similarly, if you promote your chatbot through different social media channels like TikTok, Instagram, or any online platform, you can simply share the short link. When the user click on the short link, it will immediately open WhatsApp on their phone and it will trigger the chatbot. So this is a very useful feature. I will show you how to do that. Before creating a short link, first take a look at the chatbots I have created. So here I have created multiple chatbots for different purposes. For example, this chatbot I have created for a very unique use case. It is a fuel delivery service. We can order fuel through WhatsApp and they deliver fuel at our parking lot. So similarly, I have created another demo for a clinic to do an appointment, and there are plenty of chatbots here. So for this particular chatbot, I have assigned a shortcode named My Fuel. I can trigger this chatbot using this keyword. So similarly, for this clinic chatbot also, there is a keyword named clinic. So you can set a different shortcode for each chatbots, and when you create a short link and QR code, you can use a keyword #start and the shortcode of that particular chatbot to trigger the chatbot. So let's create a QR code and short link now. Create a message link. So when you create a message link, a QR code also will be generated. So here, in this case, I'm creating a shortcode for My Fuel chatbot. So here I'm selecting My Fuel. That's the keyword here. So it will be #start My Fuel. And I can type anything like I would like to order fuel, for example, and then simply click submit, and then it will immediately create the QR code and the short link. So this is the short link, and if you click here, it will download the QR code. I can open the QR code in a new tab. Now let's scan this QR code and see how it works. To test this feature, I shared my phone screen here. I've opened the camera app. I'm scanning the QR code here. So it immediately detects the URL within the QR code, and it's opening the WhatsApp right now. And then click on open link. You can see the pre-filled message here, #start my fuel. So if I click this, it will immediately start that particular chatbot. So as expected, it started the conversation. So now let's take a look at the chatbot also. I'm clicking on the fuel app. It is showing the previous location I haven't did and the parking lot. Since I have used this chatbot previously, it is just asking me to confirm the same details. If I click change, it will prompt me to enter the details again. Now I'm clicking on the confirm button. So it is asking my vehicle again. So if I want to change this, I can change. Let's see how this works. So I'm selecting my vehicle using the list message. It is a passenger car, for example. And I'm giving the vehicle name. And it will ask for the vehicle registration number also. I'm entering a random number here. And I'm confirming the details I entered. Now it is asking for how much amount I want to fill the fuel. So it is like 100 dirhams. And it automatically calculated the full amount and it's showing the final details. If I confirm, it will place an order. I just showed you this chatbot to let you know you can build a different unique use cases using Libromi chatbot. And we are planning to introduce amazing features on coming weeks. So make sure you have subscribed to this channel. Okay, thank you.